Ici, on a un LogUp.
Here, we have a LogUp in a DMA cabinet. The LogUp measures a lot of things, but what interests us the most are the night flows and the volumes. We have our flow rates, we monitor the analysis via our SCADA system, and from our SCADA system, we extract all the alarms, all the anomalies we may have. The LogUp also allows us to send alarms directly to our smartphones, so that we can detect anomalies and respond quickly.
Rapidement et avoir une intervention plus rapide. Ici, donc, on est sur un champ captant.
Here, we are at a well field. It is used to collect water from the surrounding area for the drinking water plant. This is upstream of the treatment. This LogUp is used to monitor the level of the well field, of the well, and for intrusion. As soon as the cover is opened, an alarm is triggered.
Dès que le capot s'ouvre, une alarme se déclenche. Ici, on est sur un gros consommateur agricole.
Here, we are dealing with a major agricultural consumer. We installed a LogUp to allow us to track their consumption day by day. We installed this LogUp in a small water meter chamber. This allows us to avoid having a cabinet mounted high up. This also allows it to remain invisible. No one knows where it is well hidden from view. In addition, we are in a flood-prone area, and since the LogUp is waterproof, we have no issues.
Du coup, on n'a aucun problème. Alors, ici, on a installé un LogUp.
Here we have installed a LogUp on a major industrial consumer. This allows us to monitor their consumption, to visualize their daily consumption. And it also allows us to compare between weekdays and the weekend. Because in fact, our reservoirs consume water faster during the week than on weekends. There is more consumption, so we have less reaction time during the week than on weekends. We monitor our major consumers and we can detect upstream at their site whether they have a leak or not, or why they are over-consuming and discuss it with them. And we also share their water meter data with them.
Et on leur transfère aussi les données, bien sûr, de leur compteur.